The question that we've been asked is, let's say I entered a retainer for $300 and the check number was 3535, right? And then a few minutes later, I entered another retainer for the same amount. The check was again 3535. If I need to get rid of the second one, how do I do that? The answer is pretty simple. You basically click on the edit button, item, and you have to unlock it, and then you have to say $0 and apply. When you do that, you will see that the second duplicate will go away. Now, if you invoiced, it will not go away. So I'm going to show that again. It'll get locked. So in this case, like 3535, I'm just going to quickly generate an invoice, and now you will see that when you do an invoice, because you have reported to the client that you have $600 in trust, it's going to lock and it will not allow us to basically nullify the amount to $0. So what do I do in that case? How do I say, hey, I made a mistake and get rid of it? To do that, what you would do is you click on the action button and you'd use other payout from trust, because retainer is deposit, it's like basically a debit. So you do the opposite, which is a credit. So you would say 300. Again, you'd put the same one, 3535. Make sure that the date matches. In the description, you would say adjustment for wrong deposit into trust, right? And then hit the payment button. When you do that, now you will see that the retainer balance will now be back to 300. And if you actually go to the trust account, you will see that. You will see that the two 300s are there and one of them is offsetted and the balance comes back to 300 again. So again, if you had not invoiced, editing and deleting is very simple. You just say edit item and you would change this after unlock to 0 and save, and it will go away. And if you actually invoiced it, because it's locked, now what you would do is you would actually put an other payment from trust and you would put the reason, saying give the same check number and give the reason, and you would actually